What to let that sink in, fun fact. 1. As you get closer to a black hole, time goes slower. This means that everything farther away would experience time faster and faster. As you get closer and closer to the black hole, a second for you could be a billion years for those outside of it. Thus, if you fell into a black hole and looked outside, you would see the universe die with you. 2. The United States hasn't minted any new Purple Heart medals since World War II. We've been using the stockpile that was prepared in anticipation of a ground invasion of Japan. 3. Cows kill more Americans than terrorists most years. 4. Schizophrenia hallucinations are shaped by culture. Americans with schizophrenia tend to have more paranoid and harsher voices and hallucinations. In India and Africa, people with schizophrenia tend to have more playful and positive voices. 5. About 40% of the world's food is wasted, and a lot of that is before it even hits the shelves. 6. Fruit Loops are all the same flavor. 7. Next to the US Army, Disney World is the largest buyer and importer of explosives in the USA. 8. There are more tigers privately owned in Texas than tigers in the wild. 9. If the Earth was the size of a marble, you would need 7 miles of space to build a scale model of the solar system. 10. It took humanity approximately 4 times longer to switch from copper swords to steel swords than it took to switch from steel swords to nuclear bombs. 11. Maine is the closest US state to Africa. 12. Scientists who work with cockroaches often develop allergies towards cockroaches. At the same time, they also develop allergies to pre-ground coffee. 13. There's about 12 times more trees on Earth than stars in the